Remember when you had smooth and clean detailing on your woodworking pieces? This WEN electric detailing palm sander puts reliable sanding right into the palm of your hand. This detail sander allows for the preciseness of sanding by hand with the added efficiency of 13,500 OPM worth of vibrational power. The 1-amp motor sands away at abrasive surfaces, while the vacuum adapter allows for easy attachment to dust collection devices. Plus, the 2-pound lightweight design ensures that your hands never get too tired. The WEN electric detailing palm sander also comes backed by a 1-year warranty, a nationwide network of skilled service technicians, a helpful customer service phone line, and includes 1 sheet of sandpaper. Remember when you had the power to sand detailed woodwork all in the palm of your hand? Remember WEN? Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Precision sanding. The 3.75 x 5.5 inches sanding pad features fan-assisted dust collection holes and an angled tip for tight corners and precision work. Number 2. Ergonomic Grip. The specially designed grip contours perfectly to fit in the palm of your hand while the ribbed rubber backing prevents slippage. Number 3. Hook and Loop Base Pad. The hook and loop base pad allows for simple sandpaper removal and installation, making for quick changes between grits. Number 4. Dust Collection Port. The center-mounted dust collection port minimizes cleanup and controls the flow of sawdust during operation. Number 5. The powerful 1-amp motor provides 13,500 OPM. Number 6. Lightweight design weighs in at a mere 2 pounds. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.